Volcano Vista Hawks marching in, prepared to do battle with the Cueva. Pushing upfield is the quarterback, and there goes Wallen! One man behind him, can he catch up? No, to the 20, 15, 10, tripped up right around the 10-yard line, a touchdown, 10-yard line, a touchdown-saving tackle by Hunter Haimker. Wallen under center. Handoff, getting around the outside, that is Caden Valdez, around the outside to the 10, to the 5, trying to get to the quarter pylon, and he does! The Hawks strike first. Touchdown, Volcano Vista. Caden Valdez. 6-0, 5:04 remaining in the first quarter. A little bit of movement, no call. Lee with the ball, trying to get around the outside, finds the hole, stiff arms the defender, and there he goes. One man to beat, he does. Breakaway speed. There's one guy coming at him at the 30-yard line. Will he be able to catch up using the angle? No way. Dylan Lee from the 37-yard line to the end zone. Touchdown, La Cueva.